guys, so today I'm here with my 2021 Kawasaki KX450 as a supermoto. So if you didn't see the recent short we uploaded of finally receiving the dirt tires, I have them off camera over here. So we finally got some dirt wheels for it and got a whole bunch of other parts. Well, not a whole bunch, got a few other parts that I'm going to throw on it today. So that's what we're going to do. First things first is we're going to pull the light bar off and pull these controls off on the handlebar so we can get the new Renthal Fatbar on here. All right, let's do this. All right, so the next part here is we're gonna pull the seat off, and I'm actually gonna take all the wiring here off for the light system. I'm gonna remove all of that. I thought about keeping some of it, but I started cutting wires and to pull the system out, then it stopped working. So all of it. So then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna remove all of it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull the seat off, and then we're gonna start putting the bars back on and the grips and our new bar pad too. So yeah. Oh, there it is. All right. Let's get it. Oh, and our bar pad. there we go. So we got new ODI grips on here. Got the green Renthal Fatbar pad, the Renthal Fatbar itself. Looking good so far. Remove that light bar. I still do in it have the light itself, so I'll pull that out later. Probably once I get a graphics kit for it. I'll get new plastics. Oh, whoa. But yeah, so yeah, comment down below what y'all think on the look so far up here. Think it's good, think it's bad, you know. Well, it could be improved maybe to make it look better. But next, we're gonna do the wheels. I'm excited. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, so Dad and I just finished up putting the wheels on. The bike looks sick right now. Here we go. Turn the bars, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna back up so you can see it without me standing there. Also got this new TUS MX bike stand over at RockyMountainATVMC.com. Go check them out. Not sponsored. But yeah, the bike looks really good right now. We're planning to go riding soon, so that's going to be fun. We'll definitely be recording when we go out and ride. We're not quite sure where yet, but we'll figure that out. But the place doesn't matter. It's all about the memories you have when you're out riding, the people you're hanging with, the new people that you end up riding with and meeting with, all that stuff. So I'm glad hope to be getting back out on the bike soon. It's been 3 months. Gonna have a new bike to ride. So yeah, that's gonna be exciting. Speedy B or B Rice here on Warfield Motor Repair, signing out. Peace out.